Assalamu alaikum, sisters. I'm back again with another YouTube video. As you guys know, I usually post Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. However, I did not post yesterday. I'm swamped essentially with finals and essays due. It is the last week of class, and then after that, it's finals and stuff. So bear with me. I'll get through it, and I'll get back to posting shorts again. I didn't even post a short either, but yeah, I'll get back to posting shorts and posting videos normally. So for this week, however, I will be posting on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So you'll be seeing this on Tuesday, the 6th of December. All right. So with that being said, let's get into today. I'm going to talk about the three trades that I took today, and I'm going to talk about why I lost them, or why I took them, and why I ended up losing more money than I ended up losing. I ended up losing about $100 a day. I've been increasing my lot sizes, guys. I probably shouldn't be doing that. It is December, volume slowing down, and I didn't really have the best month in November, but I'm not going to continue scaling up for this month. At least I'm keeping the lot size the same and keeping my account size the same as I did in November. However, I am slowly and gradually beginning to increase my account balance. And so, yeah, I'm going to go over that. So I lost $100. It is what it is, guys. It sucks, but what can you do, right? So let's go over. So today, I go into the market. This is Euro USD, right? I took two trades on Euro USD and one trade on AUD USD. So I go into the markets today. Let me move this a little bit higher. There we go. Okay, I go into the markets today. Wake up at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time like I usually do, and I start seeing that the markets are shifting, going from. Let me just draw this. Stay in drawing mode. Yeah, that should work. Okay. See that the markets are going from higher highs, right? Higher high, higher low, higher low, and now we get a lower high, confirmed lower low, correct? And then that's what we're getting now. Now we're getting and then that's all we're getting, correct? So what ends up happening with this is that uptrends are shifting to downtrends. Now all I'm looking for is shorts. Okay. Now we did have a very good opportunity right over here. Let me quickly go back. Right. We did have a very good opportunity right over here to do a short. Again, as you guys can see, super trend is red. We go back to a key level is made. And we go back to that key level right over here, and we get bearish momentum. However, I didn't like it that much. Probably should have took it, honestly, guys. Looking back at it again, hindsight is 20/20, guys. Right? There would definitely be trades that you just end up missing, and unfortunately, this was one of those. Right? So this was just a trade that would have been an absolute banger of a trade, but I missed it. However, we're continuing downwards. Right? Again, we're getting low, low, lower high, low, low, low high, low, low, etc. Right? So you guys get the point. Right? We're continuing the downtrend. So now what I see is this level being made, right? Again, key level in the markets. And what I liked really much about this level is that you could see it, you could extend it all the way back, right? So this was a level in the market that was, what's happening? This is a level in the market that was continuously being traded over and over again, and it was reacting, right? We had reactions over here, and then we had a lot of bullish momentum. We had reactions over here, bullish momentum, bearish momentum, right? So I come back, and what do I see over here? Over here is when I took the first trade at 9:10. Right, this was a sell. This was my first trade of the day. Right, I see we are forming a double top. Right, we have this over here, and we have this over here. Correct, and so we're forming the double top, and I think that we get wick rejections, we get this bearish pin bar, and we get oversold on the CCI. So I'm thinking we're good. Right, we're gonna start continuing bearish. That's what I'm thinking. Right. However, again, that didn't end up happening. Your trades will not always play in your favor, and I ended up losing that trade. It is what it is, guys. I go back in the market and I continue trading. Now, what do I see? I see this level of support being made over here, correct? And at the time, again, this is my second trade of the day. So, oops. So I had actually, let's go back here. There we go. I had actually not took this trade yet, right? But I see this level of support, two touches being happening. However, expanding this zone again, right? Again, this is a nice zone to trade off of. What do I see? I see a false breakthrough. I see a retest and bearish momentum. So now when the zone goes back here, what do I see here? I see bullish candle, doji, bearish candle, right? Strong wick rejections in evening star candlestick pattern, right? Not only that, but I keep on seeing bearish rejections, and I finally see a strong momentum candle, strong bearish candle. So what do? I enter over here, and my take profit is at the close to the bottom of the zone, right? Why? Because I believe that chances are, if we're going to go anywhere, right, we're going to go to this wick, the bottom of this wick, potentially. So I want my take profit to be a little bit above that bottom wick, because that's the lowest we can go, in my eyes, right? Because it's a strong level. So I don't want to be reaching the lowest of the lows. I want to be reaching a little bit higher than that to make sure that my take profit actually gets hit. Again, that gets smashed. Now, could I have held it longer? Yes, but that is hindsight. Again, I didn't know that the trade would go higher. And as you guys can see, we hit the lows and we started reversing back. So very easily, this could have just been a break-even trade, right? That's why I said not to be greedy. Don't go shooting for a 1 to 5 hour right? Sometimes it'll hit, like in this situation, it would have hit actually, but to the T, but it's not always going to happen. So you always want to be careful with the way you trade, right? I didn't really see any other opportunities, guys, on this pair, so we switch over now to odd USD. This was the third trade I took. And again, what do I see? Same exact thing, guys. As you guys can see, all my trades are going to be the same exact thing. I see what the trend is, okay? Trend's bearish. I look at a key level in the market. Why is this a key level? Because price is continuously coming back here, okay? I look for now rejections. I look for rejections. I look for candlestick patterns. I look for CCI oversold. I look for bearish momentum. Again, I take the sell, I lose. Simple as that. So now that we got the trades out of the way, right? I want to talk to you guys a little bit about my mindset, right? Coming into December, last week was a break even for me, right? I was doing really well, and then I ended up losing a couple of trades. Oh no, I won, I lost, I won, I lost, yada yada yada, right? Ended up breaking even. I think I was like 2 or in profit, and I took 2 losing trades, so I ended up going to break even. This week, I had a loser, I had a winner, I was back in profit, I had a loser, right? Now I'm back to a small loss, essentially break even for the month, right? On a Tuesday, I'm 7 days into the month, and I'm losing, right? I'm gonna stop trading at the end of the 3rd week of December, right? I do not want to be trading the last week of the holidays. I don't want to be dealing with any news. I don't want to be dealing with any holidays, lack of volume, none of that, right? Choppy market conditions, no trends. I don't want to be trading that, right? What ends up happening is, right now is when people will start faltering, okay? People are going to have their trading plan, and they're going to be doing really well in previous months. But now that November is here, now that December is here, we're going to have a lack of volume. We're going to have a lot of ranging markets, choppy markets, and volatile conditions. And people are going to start looking to switch their strategy, right? People are going to start thinking, maybe I shouldn't trade. Maybe I shouldn't follow my plan. Maybe I should tweak it a little bit, right? And I'm here to tell you not to do that. Simply put, just don't do that. Okay, guys? Why would you do that? You have months of data, months of experience making 5R, 6R, 10R, 12R even. Some of you guys are putting in 15% in a month profits day trading. And you have one bad month, and all of a sudden you're like, oh, I don't know. I want to switch my strategy. Or maybe you have a bad week even. Don't be doing that, guys. Okay? Again, as the markets get choppy, as the markets get weird and volatile, you do not want to be faltering. As a day trader, we have to stay consistent. We have a trading plan, we have an edge, we follow that edge, we make money. Okay, sometimes we're not going to be making money. Sometimes we're going to be making a lot of money. Okay, September, October, great months for me, right? November, not that good of a month. It was a terrible month. It was break even, essentially. Yeah, it was break even. Like December so far, I'm essentially at break even. I'm at a very slight loss. Sometimes we're not going to be doing good. That's day trading for you guys. You're going to have these sort of conditions in the market. And when these sort of things happen, you have to be ready to face them, and you have to be ready to stay consistent and disciplined to your trading plan. So as things get tough, as things worsen, don't go switching your plan. Does it suck, guys, that I'm 7 days into the month and I'm at half an hour of a loss? Yeah. Am I going to do anything about it? Yeah. I'm just going to follow my plan. I'm going to stick to my edge, and I'm going to make money over the long run. Okay, the issue is never your strategy. The issue is your trading psychology and your discipline. Okay, if you have good trading psychology, you're going to be disciplined in the market. You're going to follow your plan, and you're going to make money. That's all we're here to do. We're all here to make money. And the way to make money is very simple. It's not easy, but it's simple, right? Find a strategy you like. Backtest the strategy. Make sure it has an edge over the market. Like journal all the single trades you take. Start demo trading it for a month, maybe 2 months. Okay, live trade. Okay, and stick to that plan. All right, it's as simple as that, guys. Don't take trades during news. Don't take trades away from your strategy. Don't revenge trade. Don't FOMO. Don't switch your strategies. Nothing like that, right? So stick to your plan. It's perfectly fine, guys. Again, we're all going through it. We're all going through it. The same exact market conditions, we are all trading, and there will always be more trades. So build the discipline now. Figure out how to have a good trading psychology now. So when 2023 comes in and January comes in and the volume starts pumping up in the market again, and there's trending and there's amazing market conditions, you can take advantage of it and you can make a lot of money, right? That's it for this video, guys. Make sure to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.